Hello, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly's. You might recognise that from one of our last videos, but here today we've got another vehicle from the same customer, Range Rover Evoque Ingenium. Okay, we are inside the vehicle. Let's start it up. So he's got a loss of power. Engine management lights on. Going to use the launch Euro Tab 2 to do a code scan, see what we're looking at. ECM. So look at the fault codes. Turbo overboost, intermittent, particle filter, pressure sensor, range, performance, unauthorized software, calibration detected. This red one is going to be confusing. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is go underneath the car, have a little look around. I think all that, I just had a chat with the customer there. He had a problem with the DPF a few weeks back, and he's brought it to some garage who has done a remap. Now, the only thing I don't know is, has it had a proper remap? Has it, have they got it to DPF, or have they just done a remap? And these Ingenium engines, they run a low pressure EGR cooler, which again takes readings from the DPF. So if you've just mapped out the DPF and you haven't mapped out the EGR cooler, I'd imagine that would cause problems, especially for DPF readings, because blocked EGR coolers can give you DPF codes on these, and I'm pretty sure it can cause issues for the turbo overboost as well. So I'm just having a look under the car here. I don't know if it's me or not, but that looks like a pretty brand new DPF to me. That looks like it's brand new. You can see up here there's definitely aftermarket clips on it. It definitely looks brand new to me. Some sparkle from the flexi there. So what I'm doing here is I'm connecting up my manometer to see. I know they've mapped out the DPF, but have they actually gutted it, or have they just mapped it and left the DPF in place? Just spotted something else that's about to cause them a problem. Heat shield there is damage in that wire and harness. So pressure is very low, so it looks like it has been remapped, and the DPF looks like it's been gutted. So going through everything, I think exactly what's happened here is they've remapped the DPF out, they've gutted the internals, but they haven't remapped the low pressure EGR cooler out. Now the low pressure EGR cooler, it's joined onto the same lines, so you got your DPF here, the EGR cooler pipe comes along it, and it sort of acts as the same, it reacts from the same pressure basically. So I think that's what's causing this problem. And then of course he's also got the problem of the vehicle knows that it's got some software in it that shouldn't be there. So I don't know, it's just not a good map. Another Facebook remapper strikes again, but problem is with some Facebook remappers, obviously, or anyone that you see on Facebook, is check their profile, check their history. Have they got have they been working for many years, and have they got good history? One of these guys, he showed me one of the guys who's remapped a car recently, and I said, click on his profile, let's have a look. It's a brand new Facebook profile that was made last month. He hasn't got any pictures on there, but he's offering remap services and all that sort of stuff. You just can't trust people like that. So let's see what happens if we clear the codes. Go back out, read them again. So we've got the unauthorized software. I don't think there's anything I can actually do with that. I think it needs to go back to the remapper, really.